Okay, so welcome to another video, and today I'm going to unbox the first electric car diecast model on this channel, and it is the Mercedes-Benz EQC, and this model also has the working LED headlights and tail lights. I bought this model from a Facebook page called Hobby Cars DS. I'll provide the link in the description of this video so you can check out their Facebook page. And we also made a miniature 1x18 diorama house for this video, so if you want to see the making of that, you can click the I button on the top right corner. So if you're not already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.